What's going on, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're out here in Justin, Texas. It's a nice cloudy day, a little break from the super hot sun we've been getting. We're in front of a nice looking building. It's got some colors we haven't seen before, so we'll check that out. It's got a lean-to with some openings on the side. It also features a very nice divider wall and 2 rooms. So let's go check it out. So you can see this customer got a nice looking building. The main section right here is the 22 wide. It's going to be 30 feet long. Up to the eaves right here is going to be 11 foot tall. And they got this nice looking lean-to on the side here. It's going to be an 8 wide, 30 foot long as well. And it's going to drop down from the main unit that's 11. It's going to drop down to 10 and drop all the way down to 9 over there. In front here, they got this nice 10 by 10 roll-up door, 2 30 by 53 inch windows. And let's go take a look inside. So you can see how smoothly that rolls up, installed nicely. You can see down here where they did the concrete, they did this nice little notch detail. That's going to help prevent the water from coming inside. Inside the building, you can see that it's fully insulated. They got insulation on the roof, on the sides here, on the end walls. They also have this divider wall right here. They got insulation on that as well. Looks real nice in here. You're going to notice that there's 2 walk-in doors right here. They went ahead and divided this section of the building. It's going to be 10 feet. They divided it into 2 separate rooms here in the middle. So they got 2 different walk-in doors. Over on this side, there's nothing much to it. No windows, nothing like that. It's just going to be a small storage area. On this side over here, they did go ahead and add a window. Customer said that he's going to make it into a workout room, but that'll be later on. Looks real nice as well. Over on the side where they have the lean-to, they did get a different style door over here. It's going to be a 6-light wood core door. They did get 2 more additional windows, the 30 by 53 inch. Coming out here onto the lean-to, you see that they got it all trimmed out. They got 3 openings here on the side. They also went ahead and trimmed out the gable section. It's going to be the end piece right here on the lean-to. They did the front and the back as well. Looks real nice. Kind of keeps everything level, pretty clean, real nice. They did the whole concrete patio on this front port. They also did the front part where the door is to match the patio over here. And if you can see with this concrete, I guess the area was pretty unlevel before they went ahead and did the concrete, because from here down to here, there's a pretty big step down. But I think they did a pretty nice job. Building's all level. It's got the notch details to prevent water from coming in. It's got these beautiful colors. The whole building is white. The trim and the roof are going to be a new color that we haven't seen before. It's going to be the burnished slate. They also trimmed out the walk-in doors and the windows as well. Looks real nice. As you can see, you can turn this building into whatever you need it to be. Storage, a garage, a workout room. The possibilities are endless. So let us know what you can think of you could turn this building into. That's it for me. This is Brian with American Steel Carports, answering questions and showing that everything that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.